Hi everyone, this is part 2. Number 3. The figure below shows circle O. Here it is. Which formula can be used to determine the area of the sector bounded by a central angle MON? So we know that we are looking for a formula, not an answer or the solution, but we are looking for a formula to find the area of sector. So, we know that we are given a circle and it's labeled. So to find formula for area of sector, we would use the solution of 0 equaling x degree. With this going on, we should know that we can put 0 over 360, since we know that this would go all the way to 360. And we would also multiply, since we are finding the area of sector. We mainly multiply by whatever given number, but since we have only x, which would be 1, this would be 0 over 360 times 1. And also, with that said, we would put radius beside it to square. So here is another, or the same exact in that row. And these 4 answers that we are given, we can see that D is the more like this. It's more alike to this. So D would be our answer. Now, to question 4. The equation below describes a circle. Here's our equation. 2x squared minus 20x plus 2y squared plus 8y equaling 40. What are the center and radius of the circle? So, here we would do 2 parentheses x2 equaling minus 10x parentheses plus 2 parentheses y2 plus 8y equaling 40. So here we do not bother with this yet. So then we would do x squared minus 10x, and we would add 25 to both sides of the equation. So we would add 25 to this, and we would put 25 on this side. Then we would multiply by 2. After that, to complete this, we would do y2 plus 8y, and we would add 4 to both sides, which would again be y2 plus 8y plus 4, and we would add it to this side, which would be plus 4 times 2. And we know that 4 times 2 equals 8. And you're wondering how I got 50. So to tell you how we got 50, we would basically times 25 times 2, which would give us 50. Just like we did with 8. So then we have all of this added up together. We would take out 25 and 4. first divide 10 to 2. And we would do same thing. So almost this. So after we have gotten our numbers in the right side, we would then add it up and we would get 98. We would divide it by 2. We would give us 49. So with this answer, we would compare this with this, not with this anymore, but with 49 to parentheses x minus h square plus parentheses y minus k parentheses square equaling radius square. So after we compare, we would know that h and k are what we are looking at. And as we know, h is x, k is y. So after looking at that, we know that 2x minus 5 plus 2y plus so we know that this is where we're gonna get our radius. So here we see that x minus 5. So we would do the opposite. We would put 5. Since it's positive, we are doing it the opposite side. So it'd be 5. And here we see it's plus 2, which would be do negative 2. Since we're just switching it around. To find the radius, we would do that, and we would put 49 inside it and into the calculator, which would give us 7. So our radius would be 7. So D would be our answer.